Today on the Roy Garage, we wire a battery cutoff switch.
Let's get started.
Welcome back to the Roy Garage. In our previous episode, linked up here, we relocated our battery. Since we relocated our battery, we need to replace some of our cables with some longer ones, and at the same time, we're going to wire in a battery disconnect. Let's take a look at some of the parts we have. We have our longer positive cable, our negative cable, battery cutoff switch, our terminals, a drill bit, a crimp, and the bolt cutters. Let's get our longer positive connected to the battery. First things first, I got to get that one nut off there. Oh, dude, look at these beautiful transmission lines. Whew, those things are pretty. If you guys want to watch a video of us making those, link's up here in the corner. Oh yeah, brother. Got so much crap on there. Oh. There. Now let's pull this bad boy out. Yeah, look how short this one is. Holy cow. Hopefully the other one's longer. Oh yeah, plenty longer. Sweet. Let's get this in there. Yeah, don't wrap it around. Alright, I think she's on there now. Before I go gung-ho on that bad boy, I want to make sure it reaches the battery. Oh, beautiful. Length looks great. I like that. Let's get that tightened up. That messed my hair up, Lee. Oh, it's already messed up, bro. Oh, hey. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? You doing? How you doing?
Don't look this way.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm freaking ready. I said it to go lefty loosey. Freaking rock. Oh yeah, you know what they say about a cross thread? Cross thread's a strong thread. Once. I want to get it good. Like that's pretty good. Ooh. Yeah, that ain't going nowheres.
Oh, wow.
Elbowed my bro. Knocked him out. We're going to do safety third first. And we're just not going to connect this yet as we wire up our negative side. A couple different reasons you would put a battery cutoff switch on your vehicle is one, you're going to do some drag racing and it's NHRA required. Two, your battery has a little bit of draw and it's been going dead. So you put a battery cutoff switch to stop that from happening. And then three, you want a little added security. The last two are what we're using here. All right, now that we got our positive mounted in here, we're going to keep it disconnected from the battery. We're going to go inside the cab and get our battery cutoff switch mounted. Let's put that there for now. If you guys enjoy watching our content, hit that good old subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to do more projects like this for you. Let's go. Actually looks pretty good right there. This is the original negative that we had on the Irrational International when we took it on its first maiden voyage. Link up here. It went from our negative to our alternator. We're going to repurpose it and go from our negative to the battery cutoff switch. That's funny. Well, that's fine. Those are already hooked up. Those are hooked up to the switch. Check this out. You know what that does? Any idea what that does?
It opens and closes that vent right there.
Yeah, dude. Check it.
Vent up there?
Yeah, dude.
No
Check it
way.
out. Look at it. Look at that.
Dude.
Now we have our negative connected from the battery to the battery cutoff switch. Now all we have to do is make the cable that goes from the cutoff switch to the engine. All right, let's plumb this through there. We want to go like down here and then across. I kind of like that. You know, just blends in with all the other. Here, Lee.
I'm taking that out.
I saw a trick or two where you actually take this and you can squeeze it. Little two-hand tug test. Passed it.
Dang, bro, that was clutch.
Want to tighten that a little bit? We get everything connected, get this thing running, and then turn it off and see if it turns off. Remember these guys? On, off. Hey, dang, I can't steal this. Today on the Roy Garage, we wire a battery cutoff switch. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Roy Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you know when a new episode of the Roy Garage drops. Where should we measure? Are you recording me? Where should we measure to get a height on this thing?
The frame.
The frame?